my goodness, look at that. It's in the tree.
Good job, ma'am.
She's doing way better than my kids.
Easter 2013.
Amy went to an Easter egg hunt one time and she didn't get any eggs and they had to give her some at the end because she wasn't aggressive enough.
Good job.
She's doing great.
More egg.
She's doing good.
Good job. You're collecting all those eggs. Lila.
Hey, look, get out of there.
Good job. Lila's 2. It's her first time to hunt Easter eggs. Okay, there's one behind you, ma'am.
And one in front.
Look, Lila, over there. Wow. That's good, ma'am. Okay, it's in there. It's fine.
Where's all the eggs?
There's Bubby. He hid them all.
Hey, ma'am, look
With
behind
TJ.
you. Look behind you.
Here's all the people.
More eggs.
Lila.
You see any more? Get it. Uh-oh.
What are you doing, ma'am? Can you tell me? Lila, can you tell me what you're doing? Daddy, help her. Her egg came open. Uh-oh. It broke.
Oh, here. I got another basket.
Lila. Oh, it's a dirty egg? Did you say it's dirty? Tell me. You want to go wash the egg? Here, Mommy will wash it. Here. Thank you. Now go get your basket. More eggs. Yes. Where did that come from? It's a baby egg.
I think it's a candy. Is it a candy egg that fell out?
I hope so. If it's not like a real egg.
No, but I'm just saying it might be dirty.
Oh, yeah. No, put that in your basket. Oh, yes, that's a candy egg.